Here's my multi-tag. I designed this to go into a project that I created for the retreat, but this can be used in any of your folios or memory books. So the nice thing about it is I've obviously got 3D pearls on mine, and I've got some extra 3D embellishments. If you don't add those, you can see how slimline it is. So you'll see from the main video, this fits quite nicely into your pockets for your projects. So you've got that nice big photo mat there straight away that you can put photographs on either side, and the pocket is designed as such that you could even get a secondary one behind there if you wish. Got a closure here at the front, no magnets, just another little tag, and then you've got a pocket inside there. Again, you can put even more memorabilia because your pocket is this size, more memorabilia, tags or photographs. So straight away you've got lots of interest, lots of layers going on, and again on the back space for photographs as well. So that's your multi pocket tag.